Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you love animation, stories and fun learning, then you are in the right place. In this course, you are going to learn ScratchJr in a super fun way to create your own games and animated stories. So first question, what is a ScratchJr? ScratchJr is a beginner-friendly programming app designed especially for kids. It helps you create animation and stories using colorful blocks, just like building with the Legos. Here, there will be no typing, no coding stress, just drag, drop and create magic. Why should we learn ScratchJr? Because it helps you think creatively, build your own stories, learn basic coding concepts, and at the end, improve problem solving skills. And the best part, you can make your characters move, jump, talk and even dance also. So in this course, step by step, you will learn how to use ScratchJr interface, how to add characters and background, how to use motion block, how to create animations and how to make your own story projects. By the end, you will create your own mini cartoon. Don't worry, if you are a beginner, I will explain everything in a simple way so anyone can learn, even if you have never done coding before. Okay, if you are excited to start this journey, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. In the next video, we will explore the ScratchJr screen and start creating our first project. See you in the next video. Bye bye.